how to create group rules on Facebook. So if you want to create group rules on your Facebook, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, go with the upper right, which has that 3 bar or the profile icon, and then tap on groups and choose your group. Once you've choose your group, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, and here on the upper right of your screen you will have manage option. Tap on manage group. Once you tap on it, now under your tool shortcuts you will have group rules option. So you just need to simply go with the edit, and here you will have group rules, right? So you just need to simply tap on group rules and make sure to pin group rules, and here you will get the group rules option. Tap on group rules and tap on get started, and from here you need to write the rule and then add some details. For example, I'll be just writing demo, and then tap on next, which is on the upper right, and your rule has been created. So you can create 9 more rules. In total you'll be able to create 10 rules, and if you want to add another rule, then go with create another rule, which is on the bottom of your screen, and you can proceed. So that's it. That's how you can create your group rules on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.